Hello guys, how you doing? Snowcastle Cats here. I thought you might like to join me for a couple of minutes with Fluffy, or her real name, Narinda Snowcastle, but we call her Fluffy because she is fluffy and she's been calling for the last couple of days, so she's exhausted. Oh, Fluffy. So I thought you'd enjoy seeing her. She's licking me. That's how they show their affection. Another thing they do is a little head bump as well. But that's quite often when they want some food. A head bump. She's got a very, very rasping tongue. Very rasping. Be great if I had an itch. She is our girl. So this is Fluffy on her favourite little chair, corner chair. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed sharing a moment with Fluffy, the British Shorthair Cat. How old is she now? 1 year and 3 months old. I can never remember how old they are. But she was born on my wife's birthday, the 4th of September. But I always forget when they're born. They grow so quickly. Right, we'll say goodbye, Fluffy. And we'll see you in the next Snowcastle Cats video.